guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I did an African themed look. Hopefully it's close to it, but I wanted something to go with my headscarf that I have. So if you want to see how I came up with this look, stay tuned. Okay guys, so I'm gonna start off with the Plouise base and I'm gonna prime my eyelid. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with the Saharan 2 and I'm gonna use the burgundy shade that's in there, and I'm gonna go ahead and put that in my crease and build it up. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette, and the shades I'm using is Rush and Alert, and the palette is Ring the Alarm. Okay, so now that I put them two colors down, I'm gonna go ahead and go back into the burgundy shade and I'm gonna bring it up towards my eyebrow. Okay, so still using the same palette, I'm gonna go in with the shade Secret and I'm gonna put that inside my crease and I'm gonna keep blending it, but I'm not gonna blend it all the way into the inner corner, I'm sorry. I'm gonna just blend it halfway. Okay, so I'm gonna bring the colors outwards a little bit farther than I usually do. That way it will give the wing effect. Okay, so now I'm taking a flat small brush and I'm going to carve out the shape that I want. So I'm actually just going in the crease of my eye and just bringing it outwards. But please take your time. Okay, so now I'm going to use the Ofra palette, and it's a highlighter palette, and I'm going to use the gold color that they have in there. Now, I'm just placing that color on the top part of where the crease is. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut the crease once again, and I'm gonna go right up under it to give it that line. Okay, so I'm gonna take the orange color that's in the Zulu palette. I'm not sure if I showed it or not, but I'm using the orange and the yellow in the Zulu palette, and I'm gonna place the colors down, and then I'm gonna go back and blend them together. Okay, so I'm going to use the Morphe 35B palette, and I'm going to use this green that's in it to put on the outer corner of my eye. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and do my wing liner, and then I'm going to wipe the edges off, like underneath. Okay, so I'm gonna do the rest of my face off camera and then I'll be back. Okay, so to contour my face, I use the Black Radiance pressed powder in the shade Coffee. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I hope that you enjoyed it, and please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.